All right, let's make this simple and straight to the point. As you can see, if you try to export your video right now, CapCut won't let you because you've used some pro features. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to bypass that limitation. And just to be clear, this is only for educational purposes. If you actually use CapCut a lot, I really recommend buying the software and supporting the developers. All right, first, select everything on your timeline. You can do it with your mouse or just press Ctrl-A. Now, right-click and choose Create Compound Clip, Subproject. Once that's created, select the subproject, right-click again, and choose Pre-Process Compound Subproject. CapCut will start processing it in the background. Depending on your video length and how many edits you've applied, this part might take a little while. Just let it finish. While that's happening, go to your Windows search bar and type CapCut. Right-click it and select Open File Location. Or, if you want to navigate manually, follow this path, nice and easy. App Data, Local, CapCut, User Data, Projects, com.lveditor.draft, Your Project, Resources, Combination. Once CapCut finishes pre-processing, a new video file will appear inside that combination folder. Just drag and drop that file back into your CapCut timeline. You can delete the pre-processed compound clip, you won't need it anymore. Now you'll see your full edited video in high quality right there in the timeline. From here, just hit Export, pick your settings, and you're done. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and let me know in the comments if you want more tutorials like this. Until next time, stay safe.